In this video, I will show you how to replace a transfer roller assembly on an HP Color LaserJet CP2025. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. First, open the rear door. You will need to remove this screw. Take note on how the screw goes into the plastic piece. Remove the transfer roller assembly. Install the new roller assembly. Make sure to get the side tabs into the correct spots. Reinstall the screw the same way it was removed. Close the door. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's it. You're all done.